Hi guys, Missy here. So I have a slightly different background. My computer isn't really working, so hopefully I can get that sorted out. So I want to this is just something really quickly. When you do your virtual labs, and they have to be done via Chromebook or something, you're going to click the end. So as you go through it, this is going to start talking. You can use. You're going to type in your conclusions and blah, 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 whatever you type in there. Okay, click OK. Then you're going to go to the end. We're going to ignore her. I just want to do that as an example. Summary. What? So after you watch the summary, it will. About determining density. So now that it's gone through its whole summary where it's summarizing the lesson, it's going to give you this option to, once you finish the lesson, you can click the lab report to save or print. We will be saving it. So let me drag it back over to the screen here so that you all can see it. And then up here, so this should have all of my responses. Now I just zipped through this to make this as an example. I would go up to this print. And on your Chromebooks, you guys don't have printers, you're not connected to printers, it's fine. You're not printing this out. You should, and this is a huge if. Okay, so there's two big, or maybe, there's two options. You might be able to save it as a PDF, or you might be able to save it to your Google Drive. So let's experiment. Let's see. If I save it as a PDF, it's going to be a download, and then you can just attach it to Google Classroom, and I will make an example of that. So I'm going to go down, I'm going to save this as a PDF, save it. Doesn't really matter where it goes, but I'm on my husband's computer, so I'm going to put it in Sarah's download. I'm going to go ahead and rename this I know because the lesson title was Unit 6. Lesson 2 virtual lab. I'm going to put VL, and then I'm going to go ahead and put my last name on here so that I know what it is. Now it's saved, and then like I said, I'll show you what to do next. The other option, let's see how this works, is if you save it to a Google Drive. It may be an option, it may not. I'm not really sure how this is going to work on your guys' Chromebook, so I want to do both. So I'm going to save it to my Google Drive. Maybe. Which Google Drive did it save to? Let's find out. I'm going to pause this and I'm going to find it. I found it. It saved it went right there. It saved right here. Let me draw it. Right here. Now, it's not named. So that'll be confusing because we're going to do multiple different virtual labs. So it's not named what I want it to be at this point. So I would just click on the right click rename. I'm going to rename it Unit 6, Lesson 2, Virtual Lab VL. And then I'm going to put my last name because Missy is going to be getting a bunch of these. Aha! Got it. So now I've got two different options when I go to Google Classroom. I'm going to pull that up next, and I'm going to merge these together so that you guys can figure out how to do that. All right.